Hi everyone, my name's Nyla Noor. Welcome to my basic belly dance playlist. Today we're going to take a detailed look at our hip slide. Let's go. Let's begin with our basic posture. So again, feet underneath hips, knees are soft, not as bent as our hip lift, soft but not locked. Tailbone is down, pelvis engaged, shoulders back and down, my chest is open, my midsection is open, arms out to the side, energy through my arms and fingers, and my chin is lifted. All right, so we're going to start by transitioning our weight from side to side, sticking that hip out beyond the center line of our body. Goal here is to keep the top of our hip scarf parallel to the ground. We're touching each corner of the room, being really mindful of our tailbone being down and our pelvis engaged, core muscles engaged so that we don't get twist. That's something different. And we're being mindful of a little bit straighter leg and pulling down that hip so that we don't get any crunch as we move from side to side. So again, tailbone down, pelvis engaged, shoulders back and down, arms out to the side, right, left, right, left. I'm also going to keep my chest isolated. So the hips are stretching in the obliques, moving beyond the center line of my body, and my upper body stays still. That's our isolation with this one. Very good. Keep breathing. Is your tailbone down? Do you have energy in your arms? Is your chest isolated? Is your hip scarf parallel to the ground? Look in the mirror if there's a mirror in front of you. Keep breathing. All right, let's do triples. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Shake it out, shake it out. All right, as a bonus, we're going to practice walking with it. So remember again, we're transitioning our weight from leg to leg. My weight's on my right when my right hip is out, and my weight's on my left when my left hip is out. So practice lifting the foot on the opposite leg. So weight is on my left, right leg is free. Weight is on my right, left leg is free. So work between that. Lift your foot up just a little bit. When we start, we go slow and small. And then we can do the movement bigger and faster. But we want those fundamentals. Keep breathing. All right, let's walk with it. In 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right, left, right, left. Back, right, left, right, left. Front, right, left, right, left. Back, right, left, right, left. Amazing job. Very nice. Keep watching our basic movement playlist. There's more coming. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.